Hey guys, Jesse here, EC Auto Repair, coming to you again with another video about transfer cases. So this is a Ford pickup. These are reliable pickups. Maybe you agree with that, maybe you don't. You're entitled to your own opinion. My experience with my fleet of vehicles has been that the Fords have been great vehicles for us. We stay on top of our maintenance. We do our maintenance well. We do the fluid changes when they're supposed to be done, so on and so forth. So the transfer case is often a component that I found that customers will say, I'll catch that on the next service, and then the next service never comes, or I'll deal with that later on. I'm in too big of a hurry today. I just want my oil change done, or I want this done, or whatever. The fluid is always, I repeat, always the first thing that breaks down. Unless it's just something that it was a severe impact, like the truck got abused super hard or something. Perhaps a shaft could twist in two. We've seen something like that. But under normal driving conditions or under everyday driving conditions, the fluid is always the first thing that breaks down. Chevy had a problem in the past. I'm trying to remember the year models. It was like around 2008, 2010, somewhere in there, that they actually had one of the pumps that would actually fail on these transfer cases, and it would actually eat a hole all the way through the transfer case. When a customer would find out that they actually had an issue, there was actually already a hole in their transfer case, and they could hear a loud clunking noise as they was driving. They wouldn't be able to drive far, and then they would need a wrecker to get the vehicle to the shop, right? Had those customers back then done the transfer fluid exchanges at the intervals that they was supposed to be done, i.e. every 30,000 miles, then the chances of them actually having to replace those transfer cases would have dropped drastically. So the real matter is, whenever you spend money on maintenance, it actually minimizes your repair bill. Yeah, you're going to still have some repairs, right? But it's going to minimize that repair bill so that you won't have to spend near as much. You forgo the maintenance, then your repair bill is going to come up. It's just how it works. And I will see you in the very next video.